I'm Nikki, and I'm still on the beautiful, pretty little island of Sommarøy.
We haven't moved.
No, we haven't.
No, we're not moved. That's a novelty in itself.
It is, isn't it?
It was like trying to get used to staying a couple of days in one place. Something we haven't done much of.
No, we haven't.
Seems like we always have. But we did stay today.
We did.
Had a bit of work to do.
Yep, did some work.
But I went climbing that mountain. Like I said, there is a video. Just drop it in and have a look at that video. But you want to see the wonderful views.
Yeah.
And
I'm very glad I didn't go with him.
Yeah, I think I might have had whinging all the way through that.
I think you might have come back from that with serious earache.
Yeah, so anyway, Nikki didn't come. She walked me to the start.
I did.
Saw me on my way, and away I went.
Waved you off.
But anyway, I've dropped that video in the comments there. Anyway, so today we just thought we'd do a really, really simple video. We're just going to show you around where we are.
Yeah.
We are at camping.
Well, we're at Sommarøy Camping and Marina.
Sommarøy Camping and Marina.
Yep, nice and straightforward. No campsite name to remember. It is literally the name of the place, and it's the marina and the camping.
And that's it. So we're just going to show you around the facilities. Show you some of the scenery around there. That's my phone, that's still working. Show you a bit of the scenery around there.
Show you the bins on the campsite. Bet you can't wait for that.
That's it. See, if you ever come to Sommarøy, you want to stay here, you might want to stay here. I think we told you how much it was last night.
We did, yeah. You'll know what to expect when you get here.
How much was it?
250 kroner without electric, or another 50 kroner if you want electric.
So have a look at this little video. So we just love this. Go on, Nikki, explain what happens there.
Here we are at the typical campsite bins in Norway. So what we do is dead clever. I think this must be to stop the seagulls getting in, but this one won't open. You normally
pull that clip.
Push it in.
No, pull that clip there. That's
there we
it.
Go. And then we just
my wife, she's such an engineer, aren't you, bub?
And then we just put it back together like that, and then the seagulls can't get it. Ta-da!
So this is the campsite. Some might call it the White Plague, but actually it's not bad at all, is it?
No, and look at the beautiful pink mountains in the background, despite the fact that the sun is setting in the opposite direction to them.
So look at that, beautiful. That's really nice. And then over that side, got a house, presumably that's the owner's house, imagine. And them lovely mountains in the background. Drain point, and you need a code to get in to do anything.
Which is good, because it means that people can't just rock up, use the facilities and bugger off again without paying.
Code to get in. There you go. What you can do, this is brilliant, babe, this one. What you can do, it's a laundry, right? So you can use a loo whilst and have a shower. You can use the loo and have a shower whilst doing your washing. Then you got the payment machine to pay with the Norway rule. Different to the UK.
And France.
And France.
And Italy.
And they even put a nice lost and found thing up for you, in case you lose your shampoo. And on this side you've got the water.
Electric car charging.
And electric car charging, if I decide to come in my Tesla one day. And drinking water.
And a camping kitchen.
And a camping kitchen. Oh, didn't look in there, did we? Wow, look at that. In Norway, most campsites that we've stayed on have a camping kitchen. And this one even has like little bits of stuff left for people to use. Pots and pans. And do you know the thing about them is, they're so clean. Like people wash up after themselves.
Yeah, this kitchen looks
It's
like
like-
it's been fairly well used to the amount of
I
drain
mean,
that's in the rack.
I'm not saying I don't want to get into conversation about our country, but I just imagine that would be just left filthy dirty. But no, cleaned up, nice and tidy. Don't know what these are. Must be an office or something. It's off site, you've got a nice little cafe there. It looked a bit busy earlier. Plenty of people using it.
And a little shop.
Little shop down the road. Don't sell wine though. So
Allowed to.
not allowed to, so I'm dry tonight. What do you think? How's your wine looking?
Oh, my wine's lovely. Nice and chilled in the fridge. Just
Damn.
waiting for me to go back to it.
Why don't I like white wine?
That's your problem, not mine.
This is what we like, isn't it?
This is very much the Norwegian way of life. They love the outdoors, the camp, the tent. Loads of houses seem to have motorhomes. There's often tables and outdoor barbecue set up, and people use them and just enjoy the great outdoors.
Big fire down there, look. Right outside this camper. Don't worry. As long as he's 4 metres apart, he'll be alright. Yeah. Look at these. It's like tent people. Brings back memories, babe. Staying in tent.
Oh, we didn't do that very often, did we? It wasn't really for us.
Every time we did, it was a disaster.
For the weekend.
Yeah, and then we're not too far from Tromsø, so I think people must come from the cities here.
This is a very popular rural
And,
location for people in the cities of Tromsø to come to.
But that caravan was actually there, sighted, in a weird place. It's just decided that that part of the land is now his. And here, now look at this, guys. Look at this. Just can't get enough. Just cannot get enough of this place. Not just here, but Norway itself. Look at that. It's just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I think the campers might have a little bit of a problem.
Might have blown it out.
Might have blown it out. Now I can just see this sky pinking up there. There is a possibility that we could get some northern lights tonight. Possible.
Possible. They have a predicted cloud coming in, and we don't know what the aurora forecast is exactly.
But we're going to have a look.
But we're hopeful. We're hopeful every night.
Fingers crossed. And there we have it. Back to the barbecue.
And a cute little camping hut next door.
Yeah. Oh, what's that then?
I don't know.
That's
it
a
might
barbecue
be
place.
like a barbecue.
It's pretty. That's your new house, Nikki.
For rent.
It's for rent. No, I think it's got like a barbecue in there, isn't it?
I think it's like a little barbecue house to rent.
Oh, you can rent a little barbecue. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. And tomorrow we are moving on, and we are heading for Tromsø. We are booked into the campsite on Tromsø from Sunday, but we will either get there on Saturday unless we find somewhere nice on the way.
Aren't we going to Sweden?
No.
Oh.
We might do after Tromsø.
Oh.
Just to say that we've been in Sweden, not for any specific reason other than to drive into Sweden and drive back out again.
Does that mean we've got to go on ferries tomorrow?
No.
No ferries?
We're running out of ferries. There's not many ferries left.
Why are we going to Tromsø?
Because I need to be sighted for a week so I can do some work whilst you're back in the UK doing some work.
Yeah, I've got to fly home from Tromsø.
Yeah.
Fly back, do a week's worth of work, hard work, in the field work, and then come back.
And then come back. And the journey continues.
And then the journey continues. North Cape, baby.
Yeah.
North Cape.
Yeah, the North Cape. Yeah.
North Cape.
The final destination. Well, hopefully not the final destination,
No,
but
it better not be.
the ultimate destination.
The ultimate destination. Where we started, where we wanted to be, where we wanted to go. So, catch up soon, guys.